It's 2026, and if you're still recording yourself every time you need to create a product video for your Etsy or print-on-demand products, it might be time to rethink your workflow. Because creating UGC-style content can take a lot of time. You have to set up your camera, get the lighting right, record multiple takes, edit the video, add captions, and still hope the final result looks professional. And while you're spending hours trying to create one video, other sellers are starting to use AI to speed up the process. That's where AI UGC comes in. Instead of filming every product video yourself, AI can now help you create realistic creator-style videos using your product design, your script, and your creative direction. So in today's video, I'll break down what AI UGC actually is, how it works, and how you can use Kittle to create professional-looking product visuals and UGC-style videos for Etsy and print-on-demand products without needing to film everything from scratch. The reason AI UGC matters is simple. Most sellers already have the product. They already have the design, the mock-up, the listing, or the brand idea. But when it comes to creating content that actually presents that product in a more engaging way, that's where things slow down. And this is especially important if you're selling on Etsy or using a print-on-demand platform like Printify. Etsy can be the marketplace where customers discover your product, but because buyers are scrolling through many listings at once, your product visuals need to communicate value quickly. A simple mock-up may show the design, but it may not always show how people interact with the product. And if you're using Printify, this fits perfectly into the workflow. Printify allows you to take your design and place it on a wide range of white label products, from apparel to home decor and accessories. It also integrates directly with popular online stores, making it easier to publish your products without handling inventory yourself. With the Printify AI model, you can also generate searchable product information like titles, descriptions, and tags, which helps you prepare your listing faster. So once your design is uploaded and your product is connected to your store, Printify can handle the printing and shipping whenever a customer places an order. That means your job is not just to create the product, your job is also to create content that makes people notice it. So the workflow becomes simple. Etsy is where you sell, Printify is where your physical product is fulfilled, and AI UGC platform is where you create the content that helps present and promote that product better. Because a static image can show what your product looks like, but a video can show how it feels. It can show the product in action, create movement around the design, and make the content feel more natural for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Etsy listings. The problem is that traditional UGC can be stressful to produce. You either have to record yourself, hire a creator, write a brief, wait for the final video, request changes, or edit everything yourself. And if you need multiple versions for different products, that process becomes even more time-consuming. This is where Kittle UGC comes in. Kittle is not just a design platform anymore. It's becoming a complete creative workspace where you can create your product design, turn that same design into content, and even generate UGC-style videos without leaving the platform. So instead of creating your product graphic in one tool, opening another tool for video, Kittle brings the process into one place. You can start with your existing design and use Kittle's video workflow to turn it into a creator-style product video, and you're still in control. If a scene doesn't match your product, you can change it. So you're not just accepting whatever the AI gives you, you can shape the final video until it matches your brand. That makes it useful for Etsy sellers, print-on-demand creators, digital product sellers, and anyone who needs product content but doesn't want to spend hours filming and editing. Kittle UGC gives you a faster way to create content that feels more engaging and more professional. And the best part is, you can try it free for 3 months using the code VIRALVID through the link below. This offer ends May 25th, so if you want to test Kittle UGC for your own product videos, this is a good time to start. Click the link in the description, use the code VIRALVID, and try Kittle free for 3 months. Now let me show you exactly how to create your first AI UGC video inside Kittle. For this example, I'll be using a clip art design because clip art can be applied to different white label products. To begin, create an account on Kittle. Once you're done, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From there, switch to Start with Template. This is where you'll find different UGC-style templates. I'll use this one for the demonstration. When you click on it, you'll be able to preview the AI UGC video. You can also scroll down to see other similar templates if you want a different style. Once you're inside the editing section, you'll see the ready-made template. All we need to do is replace the sample design with our own. To do this, click the upload icon, select your design, and bring it into the project. After uploading it, delete the existing design and drag your own design into place. Next, select the shirt image, go to the side panel, copy the prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Since I want my design to appear on a white shirt, I'll remove pink from the prompt and replace it with white. Then I'll click Generate. Once the new image is ready, replace the old version with the updated design. After this, regenerate this image board that has the design and the shirt together. To get this, now it's time to create the video. Select the video board and regenerate the video using the updated visual. This is the result I got. And just like that, you can create an AI UGC-style video using Kittle AI. After that, you can export your design and video, then use them as listing visuals or thumbnails for your Etsy store. Also, if you want to present your design as physical product, you need to send it to Printify to make it print ready. To do this, connect your store, then you can select a poster product and choose Start Designing, then import your artwork into a white label item. Printify automatically provides default product details to streamline the setup process. Printify also improves your discoverability by generating a structured title, description, and searchable tags. Once everything was finalized, I published the listing. And that's how you can use AI to create better product visuals and UGC-style videos without filming everything yourself, and how to easily make your pod design print ready. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what product you'll try this with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.